You just downsized from your family home, moved into a new condo in a new area, and suddenly you find yourself without many friends. Probably one of the biggest factors holding empty nesters back from moving out of their comfortable family home and moving into a smaller, upstyled lifestyle home would be friends. You've lived in the same home for the past 25 years, and your life was based around your children's extracurricular activities and their sports. Now what do you do? Well, this is your chance to get out and meet new and fun people with the same interests in the same age group as yourself. Here are some tips to get you going in your new lifestyle in your new condo. Number 1, start attending church or spiritual groups that align with your values. You'll find a lot of supportive people in these groups. Number 2, start looking for people with similar interests as yours. And if you don't know where to look, take a look on Facebook in the groups and type in some of your interests, or go to meetup.com. There you'll find activities, talks, lectures, and discussions, perhaps even a book club or two that will align with what you're interested in. Number 3, this is a good one. Going back to university or college and taking some continuing education courses. They could be academically oriented, about history or language, or perhaps interest-based like sewing or singing. Oops. Number 4, extending some social invitations to your neighbors and inviting them over for tea or wine and cheese in the evening after the news. No one has to drive anywhere, and they'll get to see how you decorated your place, and they'll invite you over to their place. It usually becomes a fun activity once a week for everyone you invite. You never know, your neighbor across the hall could be feeling just as lonely or lonelier than you. Hey, if you're finding this information that I provide beneficial, smash that subscribe button and hit like. It shows me that I'm providing you the information you need to make that big decision to downsize from your family home. Now, number 5, exercising. No, I'm not kidding. Join your local gym or use the gym in your condo and take your time and meet people who are doing the same thing as you. Walk on the treadmill for a while, use the stationary bike and bring a book or watch the TV in the room, or perhaps people watch the other people in the room. You'll find that in no time you are striking up conversations about trying to move faster on the treadmill or riding 2 miles on the stationary bike. Now don't jump out at me for number 6. Why not volunteer at the local hospital or the local school, or maybe even get a part-time job in retail or at the local library? These are great places to meet people, and it gets you out of the house and enjoying a little bit of life that's happening around you. Finally, if you want to know how to start the downsizing process, or perhaps even just what's involved in selling your family home, click the link below in the description and get my free ebook, The Complete Guide to Selling Your Home. Leave a comment in the comments below and tell me what you're doing to meet your new friends in your new lifestyle.